Hi friends, welcome back to maths classes. Today we are going to discuss an important branch of maths, that's coordinate geometry. Now what is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is a branch of math which helps in presenting the geometric figures in two-dimensional plane. Here we just show the geometrical figures in the two-dimensional plane to learn their properties and figures. And this coordinate geometry is also used in your phones or anywhere in the Google Maps. Somewhere you will be heard this. I think most of you know that Google Maps, which asks you longitude and latitude. This longitude and latitude are determined using coordinate geometry. They'll take Earth map as a 2D plane and they mark longitude and latitude with the help of that map. Here just longitudes and latitudes are also formed by coordinate geometry. Now what is coordinate geometry? How the coordinate geometry is used in the maths and what are its problems? So we are going to discuss in this topic. Now let's start what is coordinate geometry and some of these points. As I already explained that coordinate geometry is used to learn properties planes of an shape in the coordinate plane or coordinate system or coordinate geometry. Here first one, a Cartesian plane or a coordinate plane divides the plane space into two-dimensional plane and is useful to locate points. It is also referred to as coordinate plane. This means this is very useful to locate any point on that plane, and the two axes of coordinate plane are horizontal one is x-axis and vertical is y-axis. Here in the coordinate plane, horizontal is x-axis and vertical is y-axis. These coordinate axes divide the plane into four quadrants. It means these axes divide the plane into four quadrants or four parts, and the point of intersection of these axes is known as origin. Here let me show. These are the two axes. These are the two axes of this coordinate plane. This is x-axis, horizontal one is x-axis and vertical is y-axis. This divide into four quadrants or four parts. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. These are the four quadrants of geometrical plane. And after the origin, any point of coordinate plane is referred to as x comma y. This is known as x comma y. Any point except this origin is known as x comma y or determined in the form of x comma y. And these are every time covered with the brackets or small brackets. Now this is the coordinate plane. This is y-axis, x-axis, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here when it goes in the increasing order, the numbers goes positive. In the horizontal way, when they move towards in the horizontal plane, when they move towards the right side, the positive numbers start arising after 0, and in the vertical plane, when we go upside after 0, positive numbers arise. And when we go left side beyond the 0, then negative numbers. When we go downside beyond the 0, then we get negative numbers. Here in the first quadrant, both x value and y value are positive. Here in the first quadrant, both x value and y value are positive. Here we may take 4, 3. 4, 3 means from x-axis it's 4 and y-axis it's 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This from here y-axis 3. So 4, 3 point lies here. This is the x and y value of this point 4, 3. They will give some of the points or they will give the point location. You need to locate the point or you need to find the values or coordinates of that point. That's x comma y. In the second quadrant, x value will be negative but y value is positive. And in the third quadrant, both x and y value are negative. And In the fourth quadrant, x value is positive and y value is negative. In third quadrant, x and y value are negative. Both are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x value is positive and y value is negative. Now let's learn some of the terminologies in the coordinate system or coordinate geometry. Here, what is coordinate? Coordinate is an address which helps to locate point in a space. It helps to locate point in a space. For a two-dimensional space, the coordinate points are x, y. So now let's take a look or a glance about the terms used in this. Here there are two terms, that's abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa is the value of x in the value x, y. Here abscissa is a value abscissa is a x in the value x, y. Here in this x, y, x is called as abscissa and y is called as ordinate. Here x is called as abscissa here x is called as abscissa and y is called as ordinate. These are the two important terminologies wherever they may give. Here you will learn about reflection, something other in this coordinate geometry. Now x value is known as abscissa and y value is ordinate. Now these coordinates are useful to perform numerous operations on finding distance, midpoint, slope of a line and equation of a line. Here these 2 points are important to find distance, midpoint and slope of line and equation of a line. Here this slope of the line and equation of the line are two important topics in this coordinate geometry. So we'll be going to learn this about in your next classes. Now there are some points which we have to locate in this graph. 3 of the points will be located in this class itself and remaining 3 are the homework, and after getting the answer you can post that in the comment box. The first one is 9, 7. Here the main value or the standard form is x, y. Every time it will be in the x, y position. First one is abscissa and second one is ordinate. Abscissa, here x is 9, so horizontally here the point starts from here and y is 7. This point let it be here and y is 7, so this will be here. 9, 7 point lies here. When horizontally it comes, it's here and vertically it's 7. It's wrong to write here either value here or near the 7. We should write x value should be counted and y value should be counted and it should be placed. Here this point lies x value as this point as x value as 9 and y value as 7. Next, -3, -4. Here horizontally -3 is here and vertically -4 is here. So this point is placed here. -3, -4. Horizontally -3, vertically -4. So this point will be here. And next, -9 and +6. Here x value is -9. So here and y value is +6. Here from here 6 and -9. So the point lies here, -9 and 6. This is the point that is -9 and 6. And remaining 3 are the homework, that's 5, -4, -4, 9 and -10, -5. These 3 you can locate yourself and find the answers. So thank you. I hope you have got the information how to locate the points and what are the terminologies used in the coordinate geometry. So please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, that's Ready to IT. Have a great day.